Hey guys, welcome back to Nerd Chic. Okay, so I was requested to do a tutorial on how to do recording of your screen from an iOS device. So this is screen recording from an iOS device. And this is in answer to one of you guys who asked for it. To make it as quickly as possible, I want to make it quick if I can. You're going to pull down on an iOS device right here. You know, you've got your pull down menu, pull down. So not from the center. The center is your notifications right here from the side, just like you're using your light. There's your flashlight and all that kind of stuff, all these things. Well, you're going to see this button right here. And you're going to click and hold this button. Don't just click it, hold it. The first thing you need to do is notice that it can actually send the video to a lot of different places. Most of the time it's chosen somewhere else than where you want it to go for the screen recording. So make sure that you first select that it goes to photos. And that's going to make sure it goes to the right place. Now, if I were to screen record right now, I'm going to screen record and there's no sound. And so most folks will get this and they just automatically assume it's going to work. They click screen record, 3, 2, 1. And then of course they go out and they're screen recording. And then when you're done screen recording, you click here and stop and do, and it goes into your photos. See, save to photos. The catch is that it won't have audio. So go back in here, hold down that button, don't click it, hold it down. Make sure it's set for photos. Make sure the microphone is on. So that's microphone on. And then when you're ready to screen record, click start recording. And then it gives you a little countdown, 3, 2, 1. You're going to want to get out of here. And then it goes red up here in this top corner. Don't touch that because that's showing that you're recording your screen. And then you do whatever you want to do on your screen. If you're wanting to open an app or something, you just do it. And let's open a game app or something like that. And I'm recording that game app now and see the little recording still going on. If you're doing video like Zoom or something, it will not screen record. You need to know that up front. But if you're doing anything else, it'll work. And so once you're done screen recording, you just simply, let me do that. You just simply click this button up here and it says, boom, stop screen recording. And then click yes to stop your screen recording. Once that screen recording is rendered, it saves it to the photos. You can go in your photos and then look, here it's playing. Don't touch that because that's showing. And there's the sound. And then you do whatever you want to do. And now, all you have to do to get this up into YouTube is just upload it simply. It used to require you to re-record and all this other stuff. Apple's fixed that. The sound is truly embedded in the video. You upload it to YouTube straight from your device like I do. Just go into YouTube and upload it straight in using the upload function. And then you choose that video and boom, there you go. And that's how you do a screen record and upload it to your YouTube and everything. And boom, there it is, guys. Okay, so if this has helped you and it's been beneficial, please do me a favor and subscribe to our channel. So subscribe to the channel right here, share this, and then if you have any requests, be sure to ask us here. Put it in the comments or reach out to us through Twitter or something, and we will do your tutorial and feature it here, just like we did this one for Ranjit. You guys have a great day. Thanks.